The Stairway, whether it's modern, simple, or simply extravagant, Elmwood Business Park is now home to a one-of-a-kind, one-stop stairway shop that gets you up and down to your destination in style.
I decided to open the Stairway Shop based on demand of local customers, especially after Katrina. Now we can do a turnkey job for just about any type of stair.
The sky's the limit, really, when it comes to stairways with you all.
There's literally hundreds of different balusters to choose from, different configurations, colors.
You'll find library ladders, every kind of stair piece and part, and for the handyman in your family, they've even got do-it-yourself kits. And the selection you'll find on the Stairway Shop's new showroom floor is impressive, to say the least. This is a contemporary floating staircase.
Well, this is a perfect example of a freestanding curved stair. This is a stainless steel handrail with stainless steel cable infill.
This is a really big seller with you all. The multi-line rails, that's really cool.
You simply reach up, grab it.
Another big seller, the Rainbow Prestige Attic Stairway.
You don't have that attic stair folding out where it's going to hit you on top of the head.
That has happened to me before.
Yeah, it happens to everyone.
Yes. And here's a little stairway trivia for you about the rise on a traditional staircase.
When you go into a stair and the rise is off, this is supposed to be like 7 inches. If it's greater or less than 7 inches, you'll trip.
And at the Stairway Shop, they can do as much or as little as the customer wants.
We can provide the product. If they have a contractor, we'll help them along, or we can install it ourselves.
Historic staircases, this is something that you all really specialize in.
It is. If you bring us a piece that needs to be reproduced, we can get that done. If you just want a certain look that comes from a different era, we can do that.
So this is the mill shop, and this is where all the magic happens in here.
This is it. This is it. This is where we make custom stair parts. We can do custom landings, custom treads.
Here at the Batherson's spectacular 4-story clock condo at the cotton mill, every interior and exterior stair, railing, and landing was custom made by the Stairway Shop.
Obviously, they did a great job. The product speaks for itself, but they were honest, and they always showed up when they said they would. They were a real pleasure to work with.
And Dr. Batherson says the Stairway Shop worked with him to design unique ways like this to get from room to room. And what is the reaction you get from people when they see this glass catwalk, if you will?
Exactly what you do. They hold onto the rails and walk very tenuously.
I guess you want to check to make sure no one's underneath you if you're wearing a dress. The Stairway Shop, from custom catwalks to affordable staircases to fit almost any budget.
You can pick any stair you want, and they do the whole thing. So you don't have to hire a framer to come in, you don't have to hire a carpenter to finish it.
We consider stairs as a piece of furniture, and in some cases a piece of art.